Hello everyone. Looking at how I make this raw stone to a beautiful crystal gem, I want to use gemstones to represent this triangular energy center. Okay, the language room is now separated. Now let's add the gemstones. Because I've been a huge fan of Iron Man since I was a kid and still follow him. This video is actually as a commemoration. So I wanted to make a pendant for myself. But Ade didn't have a blue stone, so I used a purple one instead because I really like purple. Now let's center the table. The 8-legged hand isn't right, it's a 6-legged hand. Now let's lower the waist. Make it a regular triangle, then slightly bend the 3 legs because that will make the flower look more like a flower. Now we've started polishing the outer surface of the pot cloth. We've made 3 layers in total. Okay, the pot cloth is now polished. Now let's move on. Polish the pot. Because I value this gem so much, I want to make it incredibly beautiful and turn it into a pendant for myself. The stick polishing is almost complete. Look, this is the result of the dopu polishing. Now take the polishing disc down. Change to the copper basin, wipe it clean, and polish the waist. Okay, the jar cloth effect is complete and the waist is soaked. Now take the gem. Turn it over and start polishing the sash. The stop polishing in this episode turned out really well, because adding mosaic to the sash doesn't affect the gem's fire and actually adds layering. Now use a finer polishing disc for the sash, as it's easier to polish after a fine polishing. This is National Day Special Agent, and it's the evening of the 30th. Adu is still working late dubbing because he wants to show you the results tomorrow. Okay, it's already polished in the sash. This is how it works when you're doing a straight run. While this alone creates a nice fire effect, it lacks the layering. So, Adu is adding a sanding layer to the sanding for a much better effect. The sanding layer is already applied, so now let's add the gem. I was so excited when I was adding the chain glue because I made the energy stack under the steel into a pendant hanging from my chest. I just wanted to transform myself. Okay, now I'm going to soak the remaining rice cake with alcohol to dissolve it. Now wipe the rest clean. The effect is truly amazing. You can see the effect under natural light. It's already amazing. It looks even better under daylight. Looking at this effect is truly amazing. I'm so satisfied with this moment. I've been working on this video for a long time because I've been waiting for it to happen. It takes time. If it's made into a pendant, it'll be beautiful to wear on your body. This pendant is also finished. I really like the effect. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.